Well, hello there friends. Today I am going to share with you how I make Haitian Kremas. This version is very easy to make and so simple. Please stay tuned and keep on watching. As always, I love you guys for watching and may God bless you all. Without further ado, let's start doing this amazing, easy Haitian Kremas holiday drink with D. Okay, lovelies, Haitian Kremas is very delicious, especially during holiday season. Us Haitian make it to enjoy all beginning of the new year. It is very delicious. But as for kids, it's not recommended to give to kids. You can also make a version for kids. But this version right there is for grown-ups. Okay, guys? Anyhow, let me present you all the ingredients that I'm going to be using, such as 2 cans of coconut cream, 1 can of coconut milk, 3 cans of condensed milk, and 2 cans of evaporated Carnation milk, guys. 1 cup of Haitian Rhum Barbancourt, 2/3 of a cup of Svedka vodka to dilute the sugar. I'm gonna add 1 cup of sugar that is gonna be optional, and as well 375 ml of Captain Morgan Rhum, 1/3 of a cup of lime juice, 2 lime zest, 1 table of grated nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon of Haitian essence almond extract, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and as well 1 tablespoon of coconut extract, guys. We are going to mix that well, give it a nice mix, guys, like I always said. Now I'm adding all the spice, all the sweet spice, guys, such as the nutmeg, the cinnamon, and my lime zest. And keep on mixing, guys. Do not take your eyes off this, and make sure your area are clean as well. Now I'm adding my Haitian almond extract and coconut extract as well, and vanilla flavor extract, guys. This Haitian Kremas is very simple, easy to enjoy during this holiday season. If you don't want to like buy the whole coconut and clean it, or remove all the hardcore and then grate it or blend it, this version right there is very easy for you guys, and I'll bring it to you before the holidays over to enjoy, or even to celebrate the beginning of the new year 2022, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please share for D. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for your patience, for your love, for your support. Share for me. Without your help, there is no discussion on this YouTube platform, guys. Thank you, and keep on watching. Honestly, guys, I don't see there's no difference when you buy the whole coconut to go to the steps, but it's worth it. I know it's not the Haitian back home the way they do it, but here we make life easier. It's a very easy version, guys, just to enjoy before the holidays over. Then I bring it to you. Now I'm going to strain it again twice. I already used my strainer, and I'm gonna use a cheesecloth to strain it again. I want it to be very fine. Be very patient. Yes, guys, and make sure your hands are impeccably clean when you're doing this, or you can even use gloves. Hey, I was doing it for myself, for my family. It's okay. I use my hands. But if you're making it for other people or even selling it, please use gloves, or make sure your hands are clean. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. As always, you know I love you guys for watching. And let's go ahead and enjoy this easy recipe, Haitian Kremas with D. Thank you, guys. Look at this. Look at this beauty. Haitian Kremas, guys. I bring it to you before the holidays over. Yes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. As always, I love you guys for watching. Happy holidays. Be safe. May God bless you. I will see you guys next in my next video. Bye.